Hiya guys, I am in a place called Harrogate and I just thought I'd give our overseas viewers and everything just a quick look around at this beautiful area. Absolutely stunning. Look at that. And somewhere down there there's a farm and I'm going to go door knocking to see if I can get a permission. Let's see how we get on here. Might as well show you this while I'm sat waiting, guys. So there's a bowl of water. There, that long white bit there, is raspberry jam. Seedless, because it's the only one I'll eat. Let me show you him. This is Kevin, my garden gargoyle. And across from him is Bob. He has road rage. My favourite one down there is him. That's our George. Down here we have peanut butter. Just got to wait for them to come out now. We'll see when they do. Not there yet, is there? Can you see that one there, guys? Just, can you see it? That wasn't bad, was it? Let's wait for the next one. Just come out in garden now, guys. Here's one of them. I didn't bloody film it, did I, like a twonk? There you go. There's one, look. We'll be back in a bit.